The compressor, my jump starter does not work. Still don't work, the needle doesn't move at all. So it's hardly any puffing air coming out of the end, but does not inflate right here. There's no air coming out of there, so something's wrong with the compressor. And I tried to send it back. Well, call the company, emailing, and they say I have to send this video. So I don't know what they can do about it. If doesn't work, they can help me out. Then I just have to put a negative review online about the product. That happened after I inflated the 3 tires on my lawnmower, and then this smoke came out, and really it doesn't work. The charger or the jumper worked pretty good, but the compressor just went out after 3 tires on my lawnmower. Thank you.